Hello everybody. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And also, if you're new, before we get started, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is Bobbi Boss Bianca. Bobbi Boss Bianca, and I will leave the information card for her right up here. So today I have a unit by Vella, and I think I've done one other unit by Vella. I'm not for certain, but if I do have one that I've done before, I will leave a reference card up here. But this one is Willow. This is how Willow looks on the stock card. She's a bob, and she looks like she's a right side part, and I have her in the color number 1. And I think I got her in this color because that was like the only color that they had. And it only cost $10.35, so I was like, well, let me just go ahead, because I think I was trying to reach $70 on Ms. Barn. If you got $69.99 or something like that, then you could get free shipping. So I really believe that's why I got this wig. But anyway, there's no lace to cut. That's what the parting space looks like. It looks like that skin top parting. It's very long, but it's, you know, this is an older unit, I can tell. There's going to be a line of demarcation. You have your 2 combs and one in the back and the breathable cap. So I'm going to cut the tag off and put this one on, and we'll see what she's looking like. So surprising enough, this is not too dark for me as a 1. I normally never get a number 1 because I feel like it's going to be too dark on me. They're usually just really jet black, but this looks more like a 1B, and usually those are too dark for me too. The darkest I usually go is a number 2, but this isn't that bad. And that's how the parting space looks. And I'm not gonna even bother to try to put in a little V cut because the hairline is just too thick right there. I'll probably make a little wispy hair or something to kind of try to camouflage that. With the initial brushing, there's no shedding, and it's very soft. It has a lot of movement, and I see a little wispy hair right here. I think that's what that is. Yeah, it looks like it's a little wispy hair right there. So we might try to utilize that, but this is what it looks like. It's a nice density, a nice natural density. This is all the hair to the front, and it looks to be 14 inches, maybe 12 inches. It's perfect bob length, and you kind of got your little swoop action right there. So this is all the way around. So yeah, quite simple, nothing complicated. All right, so this is Vella Willow, and this is my results. And y'all know I usually like to tuck this side behind my ear, but for some reason I think it looks better just like this. I put a little wispy hair, and I used my hair fetish, and at first the color I used was a little bit too light against this really jet black hair, so I went in with a darker color. Actually, I went in with a color that I've never even used before. I used the darkest color. I used this one right here, and it's not too dark for a parting space. So yeah, this is a nice simple wig, only $10.35 if you want to go to Ms. Barn and order it. And it comes in purple, a platinum, F1B30, and F430. So yeah, that's simple as you can get. So we're gonna put on our sunnies. So that's all I have for this video. Please like, comment, and share. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't hit the red subscription button yet, go ahead and do so. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.